Morning, Joe. Chris with Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for your online inquiry on our 2010 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, I still have this vehicle available. Also have more Odysseys as well in that EX range that you're looking for. So several vehicles in stock, but this one I do have, the one you inquired on, the EX package. It is a local trade-in. Super clean vehicle inside and out. It's going to have your alloy wheels, power sliding doors inside. The vehicle has been well maintained. It's going to get a power seat on the driver's side, power sliding doors, nice clean on the inside, non-smoker. Does have the DVD player in it as well. Very spacious on the inside, as you can see. Very nice vehicle. Great tires on it as well. Very nice vehicle. Love to invite you to come by and check it out with us in person. We're at 2009 Patton Chapel Road, about a mile and a half north of the Galleria here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Again, my name's Chris Grimsley, Tameron Honda. You can contact me at 205-826-4915. And when you come to Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.